How to go live on Rednote. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can go live on Rednote. For this, launch open the Rednote app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. It will ask you to grant certain permissions. Go ahead and grant them. Now, you have 4 tabs here: templates, album, camera, and live. Go ahead and tap on the 4th one, which is live. Now, you can name your live stream over here, so go ahead and name that. After that, you also have some other settings here, such as you can flip the camera. You can also apply filters from here. You can tap on this gear icon to change some settings. Once everything looks good, tap on this red button over here in order to go live. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.